Hey, hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to clone yourself in the picture. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Or turn on notifications. Don't forget to hit that like button. Just like that, you can choose auto or that right there. The second one right there about auto. Not audio, auto. Just like Grand Theft Auto, however you say it. You can either use that, you can change the background color and stuff like that. And yeah. And make sure you color 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 all erase all everything in the background. Make sure you do that. Make sure you do it around your barbecue or something. Yeah. And you can click restore if you want to restore everything back on the, like if you mess up or you get in the way and stuff like that, you can just restore it back. And make sure you get the edge of something, like the edge of something, like the edge of a table or anything. Just like that, how I'm doing it. You can choose any background you want, like that, 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 and you can zoom back or anything like that, right there, and stuff like that. And you can choose a sticker, a text down. You can text down like "Hey" or something like that, and you can choose your picture from like your photos or something like that. So I'ma just use that one. Then even though y'all was showing me in the background or whatever, it doesn't matter. It's my picture, so I'm just use it. Or you can just, or you can clone yourself with 3 clones, 4, or anything. Or you can make it look like you tall or bigger than them. Just like I'm doing right here. Hey, not gay, or something like that. Just like I'm doing. Or you can save it into your phone, or you can do anything like that. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube video. Make sure you guys like the video. Like I said before, turn on notifications so you won't never miss another video. Thanks.